Hey guys, I'm Jay. Today is my LeetCode review vlog on the 125th problem, valid palindrome. A phrase is a palindrome if after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. We are given a string S and we have to return true if it is a palindrome, or false otherwise. And we got several examples here. For the first example, a man, a plant, a canal, Panama, and the output is true as when we remove all the space character and convert all the uppercase letters to the lowercase letters, it reads the same forward and backward, so our output is true. And then let's get started with our intuition first. So my intuition to solve the problem can be made up two steps. The first step is normalize the string, and all we're gonna do is to convert the string such that it contains only lowercase letters and digits characters, which is we can skip the space character and convert all the uppercase letters to the lowercase letters. And then the second step is we'll check for palindrome. And the detail is we'll compare the string from beginning and end. We'll have two pointers move towards the center to see if it reads the same both ways. And then let's start with our detailed code right now. So the first step is create two pointers as we mentioned before. Let's say integer left equals 0 and integer right equals s.length minus 1. And then we'll have a while loop to traverse the string, the input string. Let's say the condition is left is less than right pointer. And inside the while loop, the first step is normalize the string, and all we're going to do is to found the first digit or letter characters, and the code is while left is left than right and character dot is letter or digit of s dot character at left, and with a not symbol. If the condition is true, which means we didn't found the digit or the letter we want, so we'll increment left pointer to check for the next character. We'll increment left pointer. And it is also very similar for the right part. So I'm just copying the code and change the pointer. We have to found the character which is letter or digit from right to left, and then we have to do the comparison, which means we have to check if the two characters at different position are the same. If they are the same, we'll continue our check. So our code is we'll do a if condition, and the condition is character dot to lowercase, which is s dot character at left pointer, and we can reuse the code when is not equal to the character at the right pointer, which means we meet a mismatch, so we just return false. And after the check, we have to move two pointers towards the center. which is increment left pointer and decrement right pointer. And then after the while loop, we just return true, which means we passed all the checks, and the input string is a palindrome. And let's check for code. And our time complexity, it is big O of n, and the n stands for the length of our string, and we only traverse the string for only one time. And the space complexity is big O of 1, as we only create several constant variables to help us to solve the problem. And this is the end of my LeetCode review vlog on the valid palindrome problem. You can also check for the detailed notes on my GitHub repository here, and I'll put the link on my YouTube description below. And thank you guys for your watching, and I'll see you next time. And bye bye.